Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure are some of the leading cloud computing services. With cloud computing, we have to consider the security concerns that are similar to your on-premise data center. As you move into cloud and transfer data from on-site to a service provider's location, how do you manage the security from afar? AWS cloud security infrastructure is highly trusted and secure by design, giving customers the confidence to accelerate innovation within their business. With security automation, teams spend their limited time and resources on the highest priority risks and tasks, reduce human error, and scale security best practices across the organization. Companies require powerful capabilities designed and built by cloud security experts who have years of experience, knowledge, and best practices delivered all to the customer's fingertips. Strategic security to identify, prevent, detect, respond, and remediate risk and threats are some of the key features. Now let's be real. Most business owners are not cloud security experts. So utilizing the resources and services available from the provider is just going to make things simpler, more robust, and easier to use within your environment. Google Cloud Security offers a set of cybersecurity measures used to protect cloud-based applications, data, and infrastructure. This includes applying security policies, practices, controls, and other technologies such as identity and access management and data loss prevention tools to help secure cloud environments against unauthorized access, attacks, and insider threats. These security principles apply to popular cloud computing service models such as infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Cloud service providers follow a shared responsibility model, which means implementing cloud computing security is the responsibility of the service provider and the customer. Google, AWS, Azure, their team will have certain responsibilities based on the type of service model you select. And you need to have administrators or engineers, someone with very particular cloud security knowledge to implement the side of security that's in-house, any account management or DOP that may fall upon the company needs to be shared with the service provider. Cloud services are vulnerable to similar security risks that you might encounter for on-premises systems, such as insider threats, data breaches, data loss, phishing, malware, DDoS attacks, and insecure APIs. Most organizations will likely face specific cloud security challenges, including access management, misconfigurations, dynamic workloads, lack of visibility, and compliance. Some of the benefits of cloud security involve centralized security, greater visibility, data protection, advanced threat detection, cloud compliance, and reduced costs. Recommended cloud security solutions: data loss prevention, DOP, security information and event management, SIEM, public key infrastructure, PKI, data encryption, and identity and access management, IAM, are great benefits to any cloud service user. Now that your data has been transferred from an on-site server to the cloud security best practices to ensure secure operations from a remote location are now necessary. Doing business from your home office to the service provider's location, their site in California, Virginia, Japan, Ireland, wherever they are located, requires a number of steps in order to ensure that your data and systems are safe. Cloud security is a family of security policies, procedures, tools, and technologies designed to protect users, sensitive data, applications, and infrastructure in cloud computing environments. The most comprehensive cloud security solutions span workloads, users, and SaaS resources to protect them from data breaches, malware, and other security threats. Cloud-based security offers businesses protection in the main headquarter location, branch offices, remote work on travel, or from home. With cloud security, integrated security controls and cloud services correlate information to give a complete picture of the entire network. Security strategies that provide fast local breakouts, single scan, and multi-action technology enable security services to scan simultaneously for enhanced performance. Consolidating point products into integrated platforms removes the need to purchase or manage hardware or software. Integrating intelligence from a variety of sources allows a threat to be detected anywhere in the cloud, so protection is deployed throughout the infrastructure. Cloud-based security moves cyber protection from capital expenditures to operating OpEx for less than $10 per month per user. Changing the mindset from an on-site administrator racking servers, installing software, to ensuring secure data communications, strong access controls, and ensuring no data is lost while communicating nationally and internationally is a huge paradigm shift. Microsoft Azure Security allows the business to unify security management and enable advanced threat protection for workloads in the cloud and on premises using Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Safeguards cryptographic keys and other secrets used by cloud applications and services with the help of Key Vault. Azure Security also protects resources from denial of service threats through Azure DDoS protection. And the Azure Information Protection Solution controls and helps secure email, documents, and sensitive data shared outside of the company. An application gateway may be implemented to protect applications from common web vulnerabilities and exploits with a built-in web application firewall, WAF. Microsoft Azure Attestation Tool is a fully managed and unified remote attestation service to validate multiple trusted execution environments in Azure. Azure Security also is used to store unstructured data that is completely tamper-proof and can be cryptographically verified using Azure Confidential Ledger. And you can also take advantage of unified threat protection for all Internet of Things devices with Microsoft Defender for IoT. I know, we cannot solve for cloud security with a short video, but here are some recommended solutions to implement. Data loss prevention, DLP, using semantic data loss prevention. Security information and event management, SIEM, with SolarWinds Security Event Manager. Global Sign Managed PKI for public key infrastructure data encryption. And Okta Identity Cloud, Identity and Access Management, IAM. Going deeper into the toolbox, identify threats with products from Palo Alto, Rapid7, and Lacework. Protect resources using CyberArk, SailPoint, or Okta. Detect risk with Checkpoint, Splunk, and Alert Logic. Respond to concerns utilizing Trend Micro, Zscaler, and SentinelOne. And products by Rubrik, Druva, and Cohesity will expedite recovery from negative events. Ideally, anyone looking to get into cloud security should have a solid foundation in information technology and the related cloud services. Once the stage is set with that knowledge and experience, there are a variety of cloud security options on the market. Some of the best cloud security certification programs are the AWS Certified Security Specialty, the Google Cybersecurity Certificate, Cloud Security Alliance Certificate of Cloud Security Knowledge, CCSK, or the one I chose to pursue, the ISC Squared Certified Cloud Security Professional, CCSP. Working in a government SCIF, the information technology team is concentrated on who has a badge and access to get in and out of the room where all of your information technology assets are housed, who's able to bring in an iPhone or some other mobile device that could be used to take data out of that environment. This is very different from cloud security, where you do not have eyes on the servers or the network cables. You really are thinking about, is my data encrypted from my office to the cloud service provider? Is my data encrypted at the cloud service provider's location? What are the access management controls? Who can get visibility to the company data? And different things that just go outside of controlling physical access. Now you're thinking about controlling the things you can't control on the internet.